Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, colors name yellow color, pink color, blue color, red color, orange color and green color. Shapes drawing kids, green color, hexagon, left right arrow, cloud, pie, teardrop, down arrow. Kids, safe drawing. Hexagon, left right arrow, cloud, pie, teardrop, down arrow, call out, color fill, hexagon, left light arrow, pink color, sky blue color, cloud, blue color, sky blue color, black color kids, pie, orange color, teardrop, green color, down arrow, call out, down arrow, call out, hexagon, left right arrow, cloud, pie, teardrop, down arrow, call out. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.